Hi everyone, welcome to SciMath Academy. In today's lesson, I am going to show you three easiest methods to subtract fractions. The first method is simple subtraction. The second method is butterfly method, and the third method is subtraction using LCM. So we will start from this method number one, or first method, simple subtraction. In simple subtraction, if the denominator of two or more fractions are same, then we can keep the denominator same and subtract the numerator, just like 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2. So here we see that the denominator of both of the fraction are same, so we will subtract the numerator. 3 minus 1 divided by 2. We keep the denominator same and subtract the numerator. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Overwrite the denominator, which is 2 again. So cancel the 2 with 2, it is equal to 1. Right, so 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2 is equal to 1. Now here is another example, 4 over 8 minus 2 over 8. Again, the denominator of both of the fraction are same, so we'll keep the denominator same and subtract the numerator. So 4 minus 2 over 8 is equal to 6 over 8, which is equal to 3 over 4. So we can say that 4 over 8 minus 2 over 8 is equal to 3 over 4. Now here is another example, 18 over 19 minus 3 over 19. So again, we will keep the denominator same and subtract the numerator. So 18 minus 3 over 19 is equal to 15 over 19. Right, so 18 over 19 minus 3 over 19 is equal to 15 over 19. Now another example, 16 over 20 minus 6 over 20. So 16 minus 6 divided by 20. Right, so 16 minus 6 is equal to 10, and write the denominator, which is equal to 20. Right, so 10 times 1 is 10 and 10 times 2 is 20. Right, so we can write it as 1 over 2. So 16 over 20 minus 6 over 20 is equal to 1 over 2. Now we are going to discuss the second method, butterfly method. So in butterfly method, when the denominator of two fractions are different, then we have to multiply numerator of first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction, and the denominator of first fraction with the numerator of the second fraction, and again multiply the denominators of the two fractions. Just like if we want to subtract 3 over 4 minus 4 over 5, then we have to multiply 4 with 4, which is equal to 16. Right, multiply this 4 with this 4, which becomes 16, and multiply this 5 and this 3, which is equal to 15. We will write the minus operation sign here. Right, now we will multiply 5 with 4, which is equal to 20. So 16 minus 15 is equal to 1, and write the 20 as denominator. So 4 over 5 minus 3 over 4 is equal to 1 over 20. Now in this example, 5 over 6 minus 2 over 3. Again multiply this 3 with this 5. Right, 3 times 5 is 15. 6 times 2 is 12 minus 12. And 6 times 3 is 18. So 15 minus 12 is 3, and right denominator, which is equal to 18. Now cancel out the 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 6 is 18. So we will write as the answer as 1 over 6. Or we can say that 5 over 6 minus 2 over 3 is equal to 1 over 6. Now here is another example, 6 over 8 minus 3 over 5. Multiply this 5 with this 6, which is equal to 30 minus 8 times 3 is 24. Divided by 8 times 5 is 40. Right, so 30 minus 24 is 6, and write the denominator is 40. Right, 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 20 is 40. Right, so we can write as 3 over 20. Or we can write as 6 over 8 minus 3 over 5 is equal to 3 over 20. Now here is another example, 5 over 6 minus 3 over 8. Multiply this 8 with this 5, which is equal to 40, and multiply this 6 with this 3, which is equal to 18. Right? Multiply this 6 with this 8, which is equal to 48. Right? So we can write is 40 minus 18 is equal to 22, and write is 48 is the denominator. Right? So we can write is 11 over 24. So when we subtract 3 over 8 from 5 over 6, we can write as 5 over 6 minus 3 over 8 is equal to 11 over 24. Whenever there are more than 3 fractions and we have to subtract these fractions, then we'll subtract these fractions using LCM. Subtracting these fractions using LCM, we have to take some steps during this process. First of all, we have to find the LCM of the denominators of the fractions if they are different, right? Second step is multiply and divide the fraction with such a number such that the denominator of the equivalent fraction equal to the LCM. Step number 3 is that subtract the fraction with the same denominator. For example, 6 over 3 minus 4 over 5 minus 7 over 9. So here we see that there are 3 fractions and the denominator of each fraction is different from the other one. Right? So in this case, we will subtract this fraction using LCM method. Right? So according to this rule, first of all, we have to find the LCM of the denominator as they are different. So we will find the LCM of the denominators, right? So 3, 5, 9. We can divide 3, 5, and 9 by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 1, 5 is same, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now out of 1, 5, and 3, 3 is divisible by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, right? 5 is same because 5 is not divisible by 3, and right 1 is same. No, again out of 1, 5, and 1, 5 is divisible by 5, so we will write is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 1 and 1 are not divisible by 5, so we will write is same, right? And now we will multiply these prime factors to get the LCM. So the LCM is equal to 3 times 5, which is equal to 45, right? So the LCM is equal to 45. Now we will multiply 6 over 3, 4 over 5, and 7 over 9 with such a number such that the equivalent fraction of these fractions having denominator equal to 45. So 6 over 3 times 6 over 3 is equal to 6 over 3 times 15 over 15. So 6 times 15 is 90 over 3 times 15 is 45. 4 over 5 is equal to 4 over 5 times 9 over 9. 9 times 4 is 36, and 9 times 5 is 45. Again, we will multiply 7 over 9 with such a number such that the denominator of the equivalent fraction of 7 over 9 is equal to 45. So 7 over 9 is equal to 7 over 9 times 5 times 5, which is equal to 35 over 45. So dear viewer, we got 3 equivalent fractions of this fraction, and what's the denominator of all these fractions are equal to 45. Now we will subtract these fractions, right? So 6 over 3 minus 4 over 5 minus 7 over 9 is equal to 90 over 45 minus 36 over 45 minus 35 over 45. Right, so here we see that the denominator of the 3 fractions are same. So we will keep the denominator same and subtract the numerator. right, which is equal to, keep one of the denominator, which is equal to 45. So 90 minus 36 minus 35 is equal to 90 minus 71 over 45, right, which will be equal to 19 over 45. So we can say that 6 over 3 minus 4 over 5 minus 7 over 9 is equal to 19 over 45. That was the final answer for our question. Now in this example we see that there are three fractions and we have to subtract them, but the denominator of these fractions are different. So first of all we have to take the LCM of these fractions, right? So we can write as 4 over 6 minus 3 over 9 minus 4 over 12. So the denominator of these fractions are different, so we will take the LCM of 6, 9 and 12, right? So 6, 9 and 12. So out of 6, 9 and 12, 6 and 12 are divisible by 2. So 2 times 3 is 6, 9 is not divisible by 2. So we'll bring down as same, and 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 3 is 6, and 9 and 3 are not divisible by 2. No, 3, 9 and 3 are divisible by 3, so we will write as 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 3 divided by 1 by 3 is 1. No, 1 is not divisible by 3, and 3 is divisible by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 1 is not divisible by 3, and 1 is not divisible by 3. So we'll bring down as same. Now the LCM is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 36. So we will multiply 4 over 6, 3 over 9 and 4 over 12 by such a number such that the denominator of these the equivalent fraction become equal to 36. So 4 over 6 is equal to 4 over 6 times 6 over 6, which will be equal to 24 over 36. 3 over 9 is equal to 3 over 9 of time 3 over 9 times 4 over 4. So 3 times 4 is 12, and 9 times 4 is 36, right? Now we'll multiply 4 over 12, right? So 4 over 12 is equal to 4 over 12 times 3 over 3, which is equal to 3 times 4 is 12, and 3 times 12 is 36. So here we got 3 equivalent fraction, right? Now we'll subtract these fraction, right? So we can write is 4 over 6 minus 3 over 9 minus 4 over 12 is equal to 24 over 36 minus 12 over 36 minus 12 over 36, right? So keep the denominator same or equal and subtract the numerator. So 36 over 24 minus 12 minus 12, which are equal to 24 minus 24 over 36. So 24 minus 24 is 0 over 36, which is equal to 0. So we can say that 4 over 6 minus 3 over 9 minus 4 over 12 is equal to 0. Now in this example, to subtract 2 over 5 from 3 over 7, first of all we have to take the LCM. Suppose we have to take the LCM, so the LCM of 7 and 5 is 7 and 5 is 7 times 1 is 7, bring down 5, and 5 times 1 is 5, right? So LCM is equal to 7 times 5, which is equal to 35, right? And then we will multiply 3 over 7 and 2 over 5 with such a number such that we get equivalent fraction with the denominator equal to 35. So 3 over 7 is equal to 3 over 7 times 5 over 5, which will be equal to 15 over 35, and 2 over 5 is equal to 2 over 5 times 7 over 7, which is equal to 14 over 35. So we will subtract these fraction right now. So 3 over 7 minus 2 over 5 is equal to 15 over 35 minus 14 over 35, which is equal to 1 over 35. So we can write as 3 over 7 minus 2 over 5 is equal to 1 over 35. If you have mastered these three methods, simple subtraction method using a shortcut method or butterfly method and using LCM, then can you find the value of 6 over 5 minus 3 over 8? So try to pause this video and comment the answer of this in the comment section.